thrilling updates for individuals seeking online income in 2024. In this video, I'll introduce a groundbreaking website where you can earn an impressive $3 per game. If you're a gaming enthusiast looking to transform your hobby into a lucrative source of income, this could be the chance you've been anticipating. Imagine making money while enjoying online gaming. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to begin on this fresh website. I'll provide information on the available games, and I'll outline how you can earn cash for every game you play. To get started, your first step is to visit a platform called EarnNite. You can either enter its name into the search bar and choose the top result, or directly go to EarnNite.com, which will take you to the dedicated page. This website will function as our central hub for making money online. Upon arrival, you'll discover 3 distinct avenues for income generation: completing tasks, participating in gaming activities, and taking surveys. In this specific video, our main emphasis will be on the gaming aspect, as it offers the most lucrative opportunities. However, it is essential to take a moment to thoroughly watch this video before proceeding to the website. This ensures that you execute the process accurately and maximize your potential earnings. The first step is to create an account on EarnNite.com. When you visit their homepage, find and click on the Get Free Money button. This will smoothly guide you to the registration page. Once there, provide your email address, select a username, set a password, and confirm your agreement with their terms and conditions. Complete the process by clicking on the Sign Up button. Alternatively, you can expedite the account creation by linking your Google, Facebook, or Steam accounts. Personally, I find it most convenient to link my Google account, eliminating the need to remember passwords and enabling swift access with just a simple click of a button. This not only improves user-friendliness but also ensures a seamless experience on the platform. Upon successfully logging into your account, your dashboard will appear, displaying a range of opportunities, including surveys, games, and more. Let's explore the frequently asked questions (FAQ) section. The first question, how do I earn on EarnNite, receives a clear response. Log in without using a VPN, either from your computer or phone. Then, proceed to the offers page where you can choose tasks to undertake, ranging from completing surveys to downloading applications. Carefully follow the on-screen instructions, and upon successfully completing your chosen offer, you will quickly receive your earnings. While certain offers may have a slightly longer payout duration, once your funds accumulate, you can withdraw them with flexibility on the designated withdrawal page. The withdrawal options cover a wide range of choices, including cryptocurrencies, CSGO, Rust skins, PayPal, and even gift cards. A scroll through the options unveils a plethora of payout methods, including but not limited to Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, and various other alternatives. This varied selection provides you with the flexibility to opt for the most convenient and suitable method based on your preferences. Pause for a moment. Have you been enjoying the content of this video thus far? If your answer is affirmative, now is the ideal moment to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so already. Click that subscribe button and hit the bell icon to stay notified about our future uploads. Now, let's resume with the video. Let's explore the strategies to kickstart your journey towards making money. Head to the Earn section to access a crucial page. Our focus initiates with the offer providers, but stay tuned as I'll also provide guidance on how to generate income through gaming. An important aspect deserving of your attention involves the first contender, AdSend Media. Click on it, and you'll discover a variety of quick and straightforward surveys ready to be completed. Choose any survey to experience a real-life example of the process. Just answer basic questions, and you're on your way. Moving on to Toox, where you can amass points by engaging in gameplaying. Select any game you fancy, dedicate a few seconds to gameplay, and observe as your points accumulate. While these games may not provide significant rewards, I'll soon reveal the highest-paying games. To discover the complete array of games on the platform, go to the top of the page and select Offers. Hundreds of games, updated every 24 hours, are ready for your selection. If a specific game captures your interest, click on it to access detailed instructions. Take note of the diverse payouts, ranging from $1 to an impressive $50. To optimize your earnings, make use of the sorting feature by choosing Highest Reward. This ensures access to the best-paid games, as seen in the displayed list. However, if you're a beginner, it's advisable to stick to the default setting, as the lower-paying games are more beginner-friendly. Here's an extra tip. Contemplate adjusting your game selection based on your device. Opting for smartphone usage, especially on iOS or Android, is highly recommended as it often leads to more substantial earnings. It's noteworthy that this platform distinguishes itself in terms of payouts compared to many others, making it a lucrative option for those seeking to boost their online earnings. Remember, the more games you play and tasks you complete, the more money you can earn. Consistency is key. Additionally, for those seeking to maximize their earnings, there's an interesting opportunity called the affiliate program. Essentially, if you refer someone to the website and they earn $100, you receive $5. Pretty cool, isn't it? All you need to do is obtain your unique link from here. Afterward, you can distribute it in locations such as your YouTube channel or Facebook groups where discussions about making money online take place. Finally, when you're prepared to convert your hard-earned efforts into real cash, just focus on the designated tab labeled Cash Out. Incredibly, the platform offers a plethora of payment choices to accommodate a wide range of preferences, including cryptocurrency, PayPal, and several others. Personally, I find PayPal particularly attractive due to its impressively low minimum payout threshold of only $1. This results in remarkable convenience from my perspective. As soon as your earnings accumulate to the modest amount of $1, you acquire the capability to quickly convert them into real cash. It's as simple as participating in a few gaming rounds and promptly cashing in on your rightfully earned income. Adding to the allure is the potential for passive income through referrals. By introducing others to the platform, you not only contribute to the community but also have the opportunity to consistently earn without actively engaging in additional tasks. For an effective strategy to maximize your income potential, consider combining various earning avenues. Whether it's playing games, utilizing the affiliate program, or accruing passive income through referrals, the integration of these approaches pledges to unlock the complete spectrum of your earning capabilities on EarnNite.com. That concludes today's presentation. If you found this video informative and enjoyable, kindly show your support by giving us a thumbs up. Additionally, remember to subscribe to our channel and activate the notification bell to stay informed about our upcoming videos. Once again, this is Ideas from Toox. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.